Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Thiruvathirai Kali. Ingredients for Thiruvathirai Kali: 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cup of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of Mung dal, around 9 numbers of cashew, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Keep the pan in flame. We have to fry the raw rice. This is actually raw rice. We are going to add moong dal with this one. So you have to fry both. The rice has to turn to brown color. Till that time you have to fry the rice. So we are going to remove this one from the flame. We roasted the rice. So after it get cooled, we have to grind in the blender. So we have to grind this as coarse powder, same like semolina. So this is for jaggery syrup. All the jaggery pieces got melted, so we're going to filter the syrup. So you have to filter the syrup. Remove the impurities. We're going to add the filtered syrup. For 1 cup of rice, we have to add 3 cups of water, including the syrup. We are adding cardamom powder and the grated coconut. The dry roasted rice cooled now. We are going to grind this one. Transfer that one to the blender jar. So we grinded this one as coarse powder, more or less as semolina. Add little ghee with this. This is specially we will make for Lord Shiva on the day of Arudhra darshanam. It is called Thiruvathirai. So we are going to switch off the flame, then add the coarse powder of rice and moong dal. So you have to switch off the flame, otherwise lumps will be formed, but you cannot break that one afterwards. That's why we switch it off the flame. So you have to switch off the flame and do like this. Keep the pressure cooker. I kept water inside. We're going to leave this one in pressure cooker. So we're going to open the lid. We'll leave the cooker for 6 whistles. So we're going to open it. How it get cooked. think it's nicely cooked. See, if the rice is bit old, you have to leave for 6 whistles. Otherwise, 4 whistles will do. It will take time to cook. Keep the pan in flame. Add little ghee with this one. We're going to add the cashew nut. Cashew nut got fried. Switch off the flame. Thiruvathirai Kali from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.